I don't care how nice the hand soap smells. You should never walk out the restroom sniffing your fingers. Hey, I'm Patricia, and I'm here with the Rideshare Guy. Do you already drive for Roadie? Are you interested in driving for Roadie? What is Roadie? Roadie is an app that allows you to go pick up items from stores such as Best Buy, Home Depot, Tractor Supply. You pick up these items, not people, and you pick these items up, you select the gigs as you're heading to your destination. So let's just say you have a plan to go across town. How about you accept the gig over on your side of town that may be going across town, therefore giving you an opportunity to make some money on your way to your destination. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips that can help you with your weekly and monthly financial goals while driving for Roadie. So let's get started. Number 1, stretch that screen out. Take your finger and stretch it out on your phone so you can be able to see all the gigs that's near you and in the surrounding areas, the other cities that you can possibly travel to. Tip number 2, plan your week. Planning your week is always good to do when working for Roadie, because you may be scheduled to go, let's just say, to the dentist office across town, and it's probably later on in the afternoon. This will be a perfect time to look at the Roadie app, places that you may be traveling to. Do you have any free time that you can take on gigs in your area? Planning your week also helps you identify which gigs you want to take that day. Maybe one gig that you took on Monday, you might not want to take those type of gigs on Tuesday or Wednesday, because depending on your day. So planning your week is very important. That is one of the things that I found that has been helpful with me and my financial goal, all while keeping me on my daily tasks. So I'm a person I work many gig jobs. Roadie is not my only gig job, and Roadie is designed for you to be able to work multiple gig jobs, even work a full-time job, or be a stay-home mom. Roadie is designed for you to be able to do that. So one of the ways to really have it work for you is by planning your week. Tip number 3, know what gigs to accept. Roadie has many different types of gigs, starting from small to extra large. And Roadie is very transparent as it relates to what to expect from each gig, as far as the start, the end, the size, the measurements, the dimensions. All of that you will want to pay closely attention to before you submit for an offer. You want to make sure that your vehicle is large enough to receive the item that you're looking to get by submitting that offer for that gig. Some gigs have 2 items that's there. So these are 2 gigs in one. These are 2 different orders, even though at the same location. So you will have to submit for both gigs to see if you will be accepted. While working with Roadie, I will recommend that you minimize as much items, that you have your own personal items in the car, to allow yourself to have more space to pick up any items from Roadie. Tip number 4, know your city. Knowing your city and knowing the surrounding cities can help you maneuver so much better, which in turn will allow you to be available for more gigs while keeping you on your path on which you wish to go, which would then be more gigs plus less wasted mile time equals more money. Tip number 5, you have no control. You have no control whether the gig get accepted or not. Behind the scenes, the system is picking whoever's closer. They're looking at the ratings, the reviews. They're trying to find the most cost-effective way to pair the best driver up at that time with that consumer. Just do not take it personal. There was a time where I submitted about 4 gigs and I didn't get any of them. And then on 5th gig that I submitted, I did get. So just be patient with the system. We don't know how many drivers are out while you're out, but just know that Roadie is continuing to expand in all the cities and states. They're even expanding the companies that they are contracted with, which is then now giving us more gigs more pricing, more opportunities to meet our financial goals. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We upload videos weekly. Until next time, bye.